Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve series question involving fractions. A few of your students have actually mailed me saying that you could understand the series part of the video, like the video which I had shared, but a lot of y'all got confused what happens when it comes to fractions. So I thought let me make a video on the same. So now understand, when you have something like this, okay, when you have around what do you say, you have a numerator and denominator, normally what we do is we try to um separate the two, okay, but not every time it works, but yeah, most of the cases it works, okay. So here if you look closely, we have what, you add 2, you add 2, you add 2, so the next number after 9 should come what, 9 plus 2 gets you 11, and 11 plus 2 gets you what, 13. Similarly, here we are adding what, 3, then again 3, then again 3. So again 13 plus 3 gets you 16, 16 plus 3 gets you 19. So these are the two fractions which should be following the current given series. Okay, students, if you are liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, don't forget, at the end I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. So now let's look at the other one. So now here if you see, there is a decrease, minus 3, again minus 3. So 5 minus 3 will get you what, 2. 2 minus 3 will get you what, minus 1. Now this is interesting because we have what, 4, 9, 16. Now if you see this clearly, this is what, 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square. So here will be what, 5 square, which will be 25. Next will be 6 square, so that will be 36. Okay. So now coming to the part where I said that there might be an actual relation between the two fractions given, okay, like how we do it in normal sequences. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. So here there is a relation between all of them, okay. So similarly in this particular scenario also we will have something like this. So let's see what will happen for this one. Here if you look closely, if I'm adding half to the entire fraction, I'm getting 1. Similarly, if I add half over here, I'll get what, 3 by 2. If I add half to 3 by 2, I'll get what, 2. If I add half to 5 by 2, I'll get again, sorry, if I add half to 2, then I'll get 5 by 2. So again, adding half over here, I will get what, 6 by, sorry, 6 by 2, that gets you, actually the answer over here will be 3. And then adding half over here, that will get you what, 7 by 2. Okay, so the answers over here, please don't get confused. The answer will be what, 3 and 7 by 2, not 6 by 2. That might not be okay, or that might not be a part of your option as well. Okay, now let's look at one more of these kinds. So here if you look closely, we have 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Now this is, there is no connection between all of them. If you look closely, all of these are what, prime numbers, and they are consecutive prime numbers. The prime number which comes after 3 is 5. The prime number which comes after 7 is 11. 13, after 13 it is 17, and after 17 you get what, 19, and after 19 the prime number which comes is 23. After 23 the prime number which comes is 29, and after 29 the prime number which comes is 31. This was very interesting. A lot of my students forget, when it comes to series you always have to remember that you have to take care of cubes, squares, again cubes, so meaning cube root as well and square root as well, and then you have to always remember prime, odd and even. All of these are very important in solving these kind of questions. Okay, now see, this one is interesting because you need to find the first two part of this series, and we need to first see what is the correlation between these two. If you look closely, if you add 5 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, we get what, 6 upon 4, that can be reduced to what, 3 upon 2. And if I add 1 and 1 upon 4, I get the answer as 5 upon 4. So basically there is an addition of 1 upon 4. Now since we're going backwards, so we'll do what? Minus of 1 upon 4. So 1 minus 1 upon 4 gets you 3 upon 4. So this will be the fraction given over here, and then subtracting 1 upon 4 from 3 upon 4, I get what? 1 upon 2. So this is your answer for this particular question. Now coming to DIY, I want you to tell me what will be the two fractions followed to 2 upon 7, 5 upon 14, and sorry, there is, okay, then there is 8 upon 21. So do let me know the next two fractions which are being followed for this one. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe for many such videos.